Rolling.
Guys, we're going to talk about the double time. Okay, so double time is it starts with the two-step. We did the two-step. Let's go slow. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we stop. Okay, so notice we land on the beat. We land on the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Double time is the and counts, right? We went over this in class. It's the 1 and 2 and, because the and too hard for me to say 1.5, 2.5, So I want to say 1 and 2 and. When we're going to do it together, you're going to go 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so we're going to go all the way to 8. And that's the singles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Most of us got the singles. It's the double that's kind of tricky. So I want you to practice just the double by itself. What I can say in my head is fake, then go. Fake, then go. That fake is just fake, then you come back. That's a fake, right? You go and you come back, that's a fake. And when you go, you actually end up in a different position. So fake, boom, original position. Go, different position. Fake, then go, that's the same as double. Let's give that a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fake, then go, and fake, then go, and fake, and go, fake, and go. So that's our double, okay? And the first thing we did was just say 1 8 counts of singles, 1 8 counts of double. Let's give that a try. So again, when you're at home, go ahead and try this on your own. Don't have music, because sometimes the music either too fast or too slow. Just count out loud. And we practice this in class. I want you to count out loud. You should be very comfortable counting out loud in your room, okay? So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, single. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then double. Fake, go, fake, go, fake, and go, fake, and go. Good. Once you got that, again, we're not going to do it too much. So if you need to do that again, stop, rewind the video, and do it with us in the video. If you want now, if you're ready, we're going to go single, single, double. So this is where you really got to pay attention to when to go doubles, right? And this is the counting that's very important. And Eric, we discovered that 3 and 7, those are the key numbers. Once you count 3, that's your fake. 7 is your fake. Here we go. We're going to do single, single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7. Again. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Good. Excellent. So that's our double time. Okay. This time I'm gonna be in the back. You guys can try. Here we go. 2 8 counts of single, single, double. Right. 2 8 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6. Time. Single, single, double. Excellent. Good.